Look at all that bling on her shirt. I love anything shiny. Hey fam, what's up? It's your girl, Amanda, and I am back with another video. You think you're ready for this one? So today's video is gonna be another exciting 2-for-1 video. Literally the last 2 or 3 days have been so exciting because my mail has been pretty lit and you know I'm gonna share it with you. And come on, would your girl ever let you down? I did some shopping at Urban Planet to take advantage of their super duper sale. But the cool thing about this Urban Planet haul is it's all chill, comfy, relaxing clothes. So why don't we get into the video? So first things first, I got my Amazon package today, which is right here. But unfortunately, this here was a complete video idea. I'm not gonna open this guy because I still have the plan to do this video, but it's gonna be in a new house. If you want to hear all about that, of course, that video will be linked down below because there's some huge, enormous things going on and about to happen. Everything's gonna change and it's mind-blowing. Also, if you think this shirt is really fly and cool, oh yes, I will leave that video linked down below also. And I also got another Amazon package 2 days ago, and these are my my tape-in hair extensions. I have, I don't know, what would you call this? Like medium to long-ish hair? I don't know. But my hair is very thick, curly, dry, coarse, all bad words. Yes, I know. So my hair doesn't grow that fast. So I love extensions. I am a huge fan of the micro-link extensions. I love it. I have a video explaining the whole process of how to install micro-link extensions. I will also leave that link down below if you're interested. So of course, your girl will definitely have a vlog style video to show the whole process of installing these tape-in extensions all by myself, because your girl is all about deals, DIYs, and saving your money, girl. This is the first time I'm ever trying these extensions, so it'll also be a review, I guess. And last, but certainly not least, I received my my Shoedazzle order. Now these are hella cute. You're gonna freak out when you see them. I know you will. Because when I seen them, oh my gosh, they were in my cart so freaking fast. They are little leather booties. Let's be real, they're not real leather. They're like pleather. But they're absolutely stunning. They have a beautiful thin stiletto heel. They have a corset detail all down the back. It's a beautiful pointed toe with the black lace and the black leather detail on the white leather. Oh my gosh! Oh, I haven't even tried them on yet. They're still stuffed with all this stuff inside. Oh my gosh, I love you so much. I wish I could kiss you, but I don't want to get lipstick on you. Oh. Yes, I am a shoe addict. I have a few problems, and they deal with fashion and beauty. What can I say? Speaking of Shoedazzle shoes, hang on. I still have the thigh-high boots that I was doing the giveaway on before I took my breakdown break, I guess we'll call it. So this is really serious, guys. Would you rather me just draw randomly now, or should I rerun this giveaway for the shoes? Because to be totally honest, I was not even in my right emotional, mental kind of state. But I'll completely leave it up to you guys. So please take just a second and let me know your opinion. I could redo the whole giveaway again. I could redo the video and start fresh because your girl is fresh to death, okay? Anyways, so this video isn't 1800 years long because I have a habit of gabbing for hella long, so let's get into the Urban Planet Cozy Comfy haul. Oh, speaking of online purchases, I threw these in this bag to add it in with this haul, but I got a pair of leggings for $6. Okay, they were free and I only had to pay the shipping. Are you ready? Check these guys out. They are so colorful, so vivid, so bright. They're like contrast. This is black and white comic and this is obviously color comic. And I absolutely fell in love with them. And come on, for like $6, I couldn't go wrong. So now it's all Urban Planet stuff, I promise. So the first item I have been obsessed with for quite a while, but you know I don't really like to pay full price for anything if I don't have to. So this beautiful one-piece jumper or outfit, whatever you want to call it, romper, whatevs, was finally on sale. It's a tube top, all elastic, but dun dun, it's pants. So freaking adorable. And not to toot my own horn or anything, but your girl looks hella fly. This is so fire. It's so sophisticated but sexy. Throw a high-waisted belt on it. Oh, a pair of heels, maybe the Shoedazzle booties that I just got. Yes! I have really been embracing my comfortability lately. I have been loving wearing like tights or even like a thinner pair of skinny jeans with a long sleeve like baggy t-shirt or a normal t-shirt. So this time when I was shopping, I was only shopping for cute, comfy clothes. I found some. I found this adorable red Hustle t-shirt, but not only does it say Hustle here and have this detail on it, but it also has an extra detail sewn onto the sleeves, which I think just adds like an extra pizzazz, and I absolutely love it. I got this for $8. And come on, let's be real. It's really cute, in my opinion, seeing a girl wearing like a boyfriend shirt or boyfriend sweatpants or whatever. I think it's so cute, and you should embrace all styles and test them out because you'll surprise yourself. Now that I'm thinking about it, the main reason why I've been embracing my comfortability is because comfy clothes are warm and cozy. Because just an FYI for all you guys who are still enjoying summer weather, yeah, your girl is sitting over here with snowflakes falling from the sky. Yeah, scary, isn't it? So the next item I picked up is a men's oversized zip-up hoodie. It's got the sport pocket in the front. It's long sleeve. I think this is definitely a staple piece in anybody's wardrobe because a black oversized zip sweater, holy moly, you could throw that on over almost anything and make it cute. And you add the whole factor that you're gonna be hella comfy. So that was a plus. This was only $12. I'm getting a lot better at doing the sale prices in my head now, so that's a plus. And the last cute, cozy, comfy thing I got is this men's long sleeve Rockaware t-shirt. And I absolutely love when there's stuff on the sleeves. I think it's so cute. And this checkerboard print is pretty trendy right now. And yes, both sleeves have the writing and details on it. And on the front, it's just the same pretty much. And this shirt here was actually a little more than the other ones. This was $15, but it is Rockaware. That's like, you know, name brand. You tend to pay a little more money. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. What is your favorite cute and comfy item to just chill and kick it in at home? Let me know down below. Is it a boyfriend sweater? Is it a sweater that you've had forever? Is it a pair of sweatpants? I don't know. Let me know. And please don't forget, guys, let me know what you would like me to do for the thigh-high Shoedazzle boot giveaway, because I'm totally down to redo the whole thing, and I'm also okay with just drawing and ending it. But you guys gotta let me know. Well, I think that about covers it. Am I forgetting something? Oh yes! If you haven't already, guys, hit that subscribe button, join the fam, and while you're at it, you might as well follow all of the social medias that are linked down below. Huh? Anyways, guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video, but don't you worry, because I'll see all your beautiful faces in my next video. Mwah! Bye, guys.